What's up guys, it's Nely Natural, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my straight to curly hair transformation. In this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how I go from straight to curly hair with no heat damage, and I'm going to be using my secret slippery elm recipe, which I love to use in order to revert my curls from straight hair. So this recipe really moisturizes the curls, and it also revitalizes your hair strands, ensuring that your curl pattern comes back fully. So if you want to know how to make this, then watch the whole video. So to start off with this recipe, you're going to want to add about 1/4 cup of slippery elm powder to a pot. This slippery elm powder just helps to detangle the curls. It also adds shine and tons of moisture into your hair strands. Then you want to add about 1 tablespoon of rose petals to the same pot. And rose petals add shine, and they also help to balance your hair's and scalp's pH, ensuring that you have nice, shiny, and healthy hair strands. So now after you add those ingredients, you want to go ahead and add about 2 cups of water into that same pot, and then stir it to make sure that the slippery elm powder is thoroughly covered in the water. Now you just want to go ahead and set your stove to a medium temperature and let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, it should be this nice gelatinous texture, similar to flaxseed gel. Now, after it's that texture, take it off the heat and then strain it into a separate bowl using a colander. And of course, you want to go ahead and lift up the strainer and then shake it a bit so that way all of the slippery elm gel can pass through the strainer. And you can also give it a stir to make sure that all of it passes through. And you'll see here the finished result. Now, of course, we don't leave it like this. You want to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of grapeseed oil, which adds manageability to your curls, and a 1/2 tablespoon of honey, which helps to moisturize and attract moisture into your hair. So now you just want to go ahead and stir these ingredients in while the mixture is still warm, so that way it could thoroughly combine. Then you want to let it cool down in the fridge for about 1 hour. Once it's cool, go ahead and start applying it to your straight hair or curly hair if you haven't straightened your hair. So as you can see, it's about time for me to wash my straight hair, and it's actually pretty puffy because I was out and the humidity got to my hair. So it's dirty, and I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to apply this slippery elm gel so that way it could revert back to my curls. So first I'm going to go ahead and section my hair, and then after I section my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and apply the slippery elm gel to about 1/4 section of my hair. And I'm going to keep on applying it until I feel as though the section is thoroughly covered in that gel. And definitely what I'm noticing as I'm applying it is that it's adding tons of moisture into my curls, and it's also helping to detangle the straight strands that were tangled before. So definitely just go ahead and saturate it thoroughly after applying the slippery elm gel, so that way your curls can go ahead and fully revert back. Here's what this section is looking like when it's fully reverted, and there's definitely not any heat damage that I can see, so I'm pretty happy about that. And once I finish one section, I'm just going to go ahead and twist it up and move on to the next one. So I'm repeating the same process of applying the slippery elm gel and just smoothing it up throughout my hair strands. And then once I smooth it, I'm just going to go in with a water bottle and saturate my hair thoroughly. As you can see, there's no heat damage on this section of hair, which if there was, I would definitely be not too happy about that. So I'm just going to go ahead and proceed with twisting the section to get it out of the way, and then move forward to my next section. Here's a closer look of what it's doing to my hair strands as I'm applying it, and as you can see, it's given it tons of moisture. I'm moving around the hair strands to make sure that everything is thoroughly coated with the slippery elm gel. Then I'm just going to go in with my spray bottle to make sure that my curls fully revert from straight hair to curly hair. And then of course twist the section to get it out of the way and proceed with my next section. So here's the rest of the application process to that section of hair. Alright, so now that all my sections are thoroughly coated and reverted back to curly, I'm just gonna go in with a shampoo and conditioner. Here's what my curls are looking like after I shampooed and conditioned it. It's not looking heat damaged and it's looking similar to how it looked before I straightened it. So definitely my hair is curly and back to normal. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you liked the video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up.